hair cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fight pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a Unice sent over from UNiceHair. They sent over a 7x5 glueless Yaki straight unit, and it's from their Bye Bye Knots series. As you can see, my makeup is already done because I don't plan on using any sprays, any glues, like nothing to install this unit. For the most part, this unit is coming straight out of the box, and I say for the most part because I did go in and straighten her off camera. I might curl her later on camera, but I don't know, we'll just have to wait and see. When it comes to Unice's Bye Bye Knots units, they come with pre-plucked hairlines, pre-bleached knots, and some of them also come with pre-styled baby hairs. This unit in particular does not. The cap construction for this unit comes with one comb here in the back, and it's actually a larger size comb, which I personally like, seeing as how whenever I do use combs within my units, the back one is the only one I'm going to use. But it also comes with adjustable straps here in the back and also a silicone band as well. And if I'm thinking correctly, I don't think I have any units that have both the adjustable straps and the silicone band here in the back. Yeah, I don't think I do. I think this is my first one. Well, then it also comes with a security band that you can remove and or adjust if you choose to do so. And on the security band, it also has the silicone piping as well. The lay space for this unit is a 7x5, meaning you are going to get 7 inches going across here in the front and then 5 inches going straight back. And if you can tell, if you can look really closely, I hope the camera is picking it up, it has that like orangish, goldish tint. That's typically a dead giveaway that the knots on a unit have been bleached, which, I mean, you saw that earlier whenever I held it up on my hands, but I just wanted to point that out as well. Online, it is showing that this unit is offered in a 7x5 and 150% density, and also a 13x4 and 150% density. And the lengths, I was going to say the unit, the lengths offered for this unit are 14 all the way down to 24 inches. And if I'm thinking correctly, I got the 24 inch. Now, as you saw earlier in the video, this unit does come pre-styled as a middle part. And if you're not new here, then you know I'm not the biggest fan of middle parts on me. I just feel like they don't ever give. But I am going to install this unit as a middle part just to see how she's looking initially. I don't know, I might even like layer her slightly in the front just to see if that might help the middle part situation. Y'all know, middle parts just don't look good on me. 9 times out of 10, I'm going to switch her to a side part, but I'm going to stop talking. Let's go ahead and install her.
Hey yo, God be dangerous. Bitches don't endanger us. You are over, you ain't in range of us. It's like 1111 angel numbers. Flashing some Burberry rainbow. Looking like every designer fake mule. Front row next to the who's who. Trying to build another Barbie doll school's low. They my rapper that can channel Big Papa and push out Papa Big Home Mother the year. Every summer I come out to walk, bitches make up disappear. But to me it's just another year. She ain't got the kind of flair. Let me see what I'ma wear. They gon' copy, I'ma wear mine clear. Heavy on the arms, sitting from the back, then he asks all this my hair. Yeah, bitch, okay, crap your shit, face on pretty, stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. I'll leave that bitch that got the leg none. Kitty on flick, I got the tight one. Pick one, take it, I got the white one. These fat bitch you like is my sons. Still on this rap shit, bro. I ain't still sitting here, you got a lot to prove. Appreciating my solitude. Beef ain't my go-to, but I got better.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from UNiceHair. All I'm gonna say is, Unice, you really outdid yourself with this one. I have absolutely no cons about this unit. Like, this unit is absolutely beautiful. I'm loving the texture on this unit. Again, this is a Yaki straight unit, so therefore it's gonna give you like that 4B, 4C relaxer type of vibe. I don't know about you, but me here lately, I don't know. I've been about this close to want to like relax my own hair again, but then at the same time I'm like, girl, keep them chemicals out your head. Like, you don't need it. And on top of that, like, I got wigs, so why would I do that? The fact that I get to keep chemicals out of my own natural hair, but yet I still get that, you know, effect with this unit, I'm really appreciating. Also, the fact that this is a Yaki straight unit and I put curls in her, so far I would say that the curls are holding up pretty well. I didn't want any tight curls, so therefore I took like really thick, big sections and used my wand curler. I was about to say barrel. I guess it's a barrel. Yeah. Wand curler to like curl my hair. I don't know. I felt like I wanted those like big loose type of curls, and I feel like I got her. The fact that I don't have any glues or sprays holding this unit down, yet the unit is still nicely melted, and on top of that, it's most definitely giving scalp. Like, UNice, you really did do your big one with this one. I also like the fact that they do offer this unit in both a 7x5 and also a 13x4. So if you are somebody who's like not really into frontals, or you just don't want to fool with frontals at all, the 7x5 is the way to go. Like, it's giving frontal, honey. I'm sorry. Like, this right here is the wig portion, and then these are my actual like edges and sideburns and whatnot. Like, it's melted so nicely. Like, we just started 2024, and I can already tell you this wig gonna get a whole lot of wear out of me. Let me know what you guys think about this unit down in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.